Pixel Coin is gaining serious attention in the crypto space, and today we're breaking down its price prediction, potential target, and the perfect buying zone. Pixel is tied to a blockchain-based gaming platform that mixes DeFi with play-to-earn mechanics. It uses an off-chain currency called coins and an on-chain token, Pixel. Right now, Pixel trades around $0.0306 with a market cap of about $23.5 million and a 24-hour volume near $20 million. But back in February 2024, it hit an all-time high of $0.6872 with a massive $1.4 billion in trading volume. That's serious momentum. Daily users? Over 260,000 after launch, a huge signal of strong engagement. Now for 2025 price predictions. CoinCodeX says Pixel could reach $0.0144. Coin price forecast sees 5 cents by mid-2025. Digital coin price expects between $0.053 and $0.0582 by year-end. Long-term? Some even predict 10 cents by 2028. So what's the perfect buying zone? Anywhere under $0.035 is looking attractive right now, especially if you're holding long-term. But remember, crypto is volatile. Predictions are just possibilities. Always do your own research and manage your risk. For more crypto updates like this, subscribe, and tap the bell icon. See you in the next video.